So this is the first A2L system that we're installing. How do you think that's going to hold up to moisture when this coil freezes up because of a plugged air filter and water runs all across this sensor? Do you think it's going to still work? I don't know. Are these going to be like our biggest enemy, or are they going to work super well? We're going to find out. At least they pre-mounted the bulb for us, the expansion bulb. It's kind of nice. And they flared this out so you don't have to use a fitting right away. I flared this out too, but look how they put the cap right on there. We'll have to like unbraze that or something. Look at the kinks that were in the old line set. It was really bad, and there was a coupling. Like they were super dented. So I cut those tails off, brazed on a 90, and swaged out a piece of copper to attach to the 3/8. We're going to braze it to there. Took out the valve stems. But yeah, it's not looking too bad so far. Of course, they have the newer style A2L cap that alerts you that it's A2L. Alright, so we're going to do the low voltage wiring. Hopefully you do not have this situation where you have 3 pairs of red and white, because that's always really fussy to deal with. I actually made a dedicated video explaining the wiring, what we had to do to get this controller that monitors for refrigerant leaks hooked up to the system. I will link to that video below, but there's no reason to go over it again since I have a dedicated video about that. Alright, so we pulled a good vacuum, we waited a good while. See these little bugs? These things are so awful in the fall, they like bite you. So there it is, you can see it running about 40 degrees. That looks good. Feels nice. Obviously we're going to insulate the line set here. Just haven't quite done it yet. And we're going to test it. We'll have to pull that test jumper and move it up and plug it in. It should shut off the air conditioner and turn on the fan. So I just pulled the jumper from there and moved it up, plugged it back in. I heard the air conditioner shut off. You can hear the refrigerant still flowing through the line a little bit. So the sensor is working as it should. Pressure looks good. We're gonna go ahead and take it off. I'm gonna show you these hoses here. They actually have like an automotive type check valve in there that keeps the refrigerant from coming out of the hose. Haven't really seen that before. Maybe that's a common style, but I know I haven't seen it. So in order to get rid of that remaining pressure, you have to do that. But yeah, it's definitely cooling, you know, it's acting like 410A. It's just that it's not. So we're gonna put some foam on here and put everything away and call it quits. So the system actually did have a really short line set, so we didn't add any refrigerant to it. You can see it only has 2 pounds 12 ounces. So they have reduced the amount of refrigerant that's in these things by quite a bit. Simeon got the insulation put on there. I think it looks pretty good. So that's it for this one. Any final words? Alright. That's it. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys later.